In front of me is FreeYond M6 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to download your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into Devices settings right away. In those settings, select Apps, scroll down just a bit and tap on Default Apps. Then click on one of those sections, in my case browser app, and click on your new downloaded one in order to apply it. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!